Access granted.
Hi everyone,
My name is Charles Kayanan.
my name is Patrick Mahuna from ACT C107.
Step-by-step process of installing operating system.
Step 1. Create a bootable installation media. You will need the USB flash drive with at least 8 GB of storage and the Windows 10 installation files. You can use the media creation tool from Microsoft to create the bootable USB drive. Step 2. Turn on your computer and press the key that enters the BIOS setup. Usually F2, F12, delete or escape. Step 3. On the BIOS setup, navigate to the boot menu and set the boot priority to boot from the USB drive. Step 4. Save changes and exit the BIOS setup. Step 5. The computer will now boot from the USB drive, and you will presented with the Windows setup screen. Select your language, time and currency format and keyboard input method, then click Next. Step 6. Click Install Now. You must have the Windows product key, but it's okay if you don't have one right now. You can skip this step while choosing the option I don't have a product key.
Step 7. Read and accept the license terms and then click Next. Windows operating system comes in 2-bit options, 32-bit and 64-bit. Step 8. Select Custom. Install Windows only Advanced. Step 9. Select the drive where you want to install Windows. You can also delete and create partitions here. Step 10. The installation process will begin and will take some time depending on the speed of your computer. Step 11. After the installation is complete, you will be prompted to set up your user account and personalize your settings. Step 12. Once the setup is complete, Windows 10 will be fully installed and ready to use.